Now we're going to be making some deposits in your checkbook. The first thing that we need to go over is the different columns in the checkbook. There are columns, these are vertical, and there are rows. Rows are horizontal that go this way. So you need to know that first about a checkbook. There are columns and there are rows. The first column is going to be used for your teacher signature. That's where your teacher is going to verify you earned the amount of money you deposited in your checkbook. The date is going to be the date you earn the checkbook money. The transaction description is going to be what you earned the checkbook money for. You need to be specific. You cannot just say, got money. The teacher is not going to sign. You can't just get money. You need to tell me what it is for. Our first entry that we'll be putting in today is learning the checkbook, and your teacher will do that with you in class at the same time. This column says debit or payment. That is when you have to pay someone else. It means when you're losing money out of your checkbook. Hopefully, you're not using this column very often. It means that you've lost money from your checkbook. You want to be gaining or earning money in your checkbook. That's going to be in this column here called deposit. And we're going to deposit money. This is the balance column. Now, you need to remember a little bit of something about decimals. This line right here is the decimal. It's always good to show where your decimal is. So let's say that I'm adding on 9/3/23, learning the checkbook. I'm going to deposit it, not take it out, but deposit it. I need to leave enough room. So I put my cents here. I have my decimal point, and I only want to go out this far so that I'm writing $100. I don't want to start over here and write $100, or I'm not going to be keeping my money lined up. It's important that you always line up your decimals when adding and subtracting money. Now, we're all starting off with zero. $0, actually, this decimal should be more like here because the line is the decimal. So this is $0 and, the decimal means and, 0 and 0 cents. Now we're adding $100 in, that would be addition. So $0 plus $100, we have our line for addition, and we're going to add, the total will be $100. So that's our first entry. We're adding in the date, learning the checkbook, we're depositing $100. Don't forget to start with your balance. It says starting balance, $0. Add $100 for learning the checkbook, and you should now have a total of $100.